Now, in this section, we are going to create the form inputs from the Tailwind UI for both update page and register page. So we are going to take already made registration forms inputs, and then we are going to customize it the way we want to use it on the application. So currently, we are done with the main layout for now. The main layout displays the welcome message and the navigation buttons. Okay, now we are going straight to the update page and create page. We're going to start with the create page, create the registration form inputs where the user can create the new user informations. Okay, now we are going straight to the browser here, and we can search for tailwindui.com, and then search for it. And without wasting time, you can go to the search icon here and then search for registration. Sign in and registration, the first option. And then you can see there is a form input. We are going to customize this one. This is the free version. You can just get the code and the version that you want. If you want to use it on HTML or React or for case view, you can choose the type you want, then you get the code. Now, the other versions are not free. For you to get the code, you'll have to pay. Okay. Yeah, so we are going, because this video, we are not focusing on the UI. We are going mainly to focus on the functionalities. We'll just pick the easiest option. Now we are going to copy the code like that. And then we're going to go back to our project. And then inside the create file, we are going to insert our copied code. And then we are going to edit because we don't need templates. We're going to remove the template. And then remove the template like that. And then I can activate the auto format for view. Sorry. Then I can save that. No, it's not auto formatted like that. Then I can try and save that. And we can go into the application by running npm run dev, and then I can pick the URL link and open it on another tab. You can see this is our application, and this is the path for the home page. But we want to see what's happening on the create page. So on the create page, you're clicking this add contact, and straight you can see this is the create page, and then the form is right there. So we're going to remove the logos and customize it and add some more input fields to match our project. So first thing first, we're going to remove this create message and try to add something more interesting. Now, we're going to clear this create page, and we are going to clear these comments, and then we are going to create a div element on top here, and inside the div element we're going to have h1, And inside the H1, we're going to add a new user title, add a new user like that. And then we're going to have a paragraph, or rather we can just style this div for now with a class, and then flex class, and then flex column like that. Item, we're going to place them on center. Margin top, we're going to give it 5. And then on the H1, we're going to style it as well. So H1, the text has to be a bit larger. So we're going with 3XL. And then font, we're going to go with semi-bold like that. And then the color of the text is going to be white because the background, our background is dark white. You can save on that one and then return. You can see now, if I go to the home page, there is nothing because we have not created anything there. And then when we go back to the add contact, you can see there is a form input and says add new user. So we are going to remove this logo, this Tailwind logo. We no longer need it. And this sign into your account, we're going to remove them. And then we're going to adjust the form input fields. Okay. So the logo is right here. We're going to remove the logo. And basically, we don't need this div. Sign into your accounts. We don't need it. Save and see. Yeah, that's okay. And then I don't think we need that massive padding Y on the Y-axis. That's not bad. Now we are going to add some more. We're going to remove this forgot password and not a member, start a 14-day free trial. We're going to remove that one. We can click Control and F to search for the forget password. We're going to remove that div. We don't need it. And then start a free trial. We're going to remove it. Like that. Now you can see it is only email and password. Now we are going to add some more input fields. We need around 4 of them, and instead of sign in, we are going to use add user. So here we're going to rename it to add user on the button. And then now we are having a div element for that. So instead of beginning with the email address, I can just duplicate this one. I can select it and then press Shift, Alt, and down arrow. Okay, like that. Now, instead of starting with an email address, we are going to start with the name, like that. Then input type text, then name, ID, name, autocomplete. We are going to do away with that one. We don't need that one. Required is okay. That is done. We are going to, for the email address, we're going just to go with email. And then everything is okay. Type is email, name is email, ID is email, autocomplete. We don't need it. And then we're going to add another one for the address. For the address, I'm going to highlight this one and then press Shift Alt the down arrow. Now there is an email here. I'm going to edit this one to be address, like that. Type text, and then name, address, ID, address, like that. Required. Then instead of the password, we are going to go with the maybe phone. Type phone. Type, we can just give it a text or a number. Name, phone. ID, phone. We don't need autocomplete. Required. And then I forgot something. On the label 4, we are going to go with the phone. On the address one, instead of email, we are going to go with the address. And for the email, that's okay. And then for the name, we are going to put name, like that. And then we can save the changes and see. Now we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 input fields. And then that's okay. That's okay. We're going to copy exactly this, and then we're going to paste it on the update page. Okay, we don't have a button yet for the update page, but we can just navigate using the URL. See, now in the update page, we are going to paste exactly what we have from the create page. So we are going to control and select everything. We're going to copy everything as it is, and we're going to our update page, and we are going to paste everything. We can just clear this one completely, and then we can paste everything we have, and then we can save. Now, when we go to there is some errors, tags with side effects, script style ignored. Let's see what's happening. Okay, I can see the mistake. The mistake that we did, we selected everything, including the scripts. Okay, That is a mistake, so we can undo, Control Z, Control Z, and then we are going only to select what we require from the page. So we're going to select the main layout, copy everything, Control C, then we are going on the update page and paste everything. And we are going to save. Then let's go and see. Now, this is the update page as well. We are having the inputs, everything is the same. So we are going to adjust the title on the update page. So we are going, instead of adding a new user, we can say update user. Update user. And then we can save on that. That's perfect. And instead of add user, we can say as well update user. Okay. Updates user. That's okay. Now, when we go back to the home page, this is the home page. This is the part that is remaining. We are going to add the tables where every details that has been saved to the database are going to be fetched back, and every detail will have the option, update option and the delete option. Okay, update option or edit option and the delete option. So when you go to the add contact, you can see add new user. If we go to the update, you can see update user. So that's perfect. For the next video, we are going to focus on creating now the tables on the welcome page, the home page, so that whenever you visit the home page, you can be able to see all the registered user. Thank you.